Play comfortably numb.
Hello guys, I am your personal assistant Roohi. How may I assist you?
Who is Cristiano Ronaldo?
Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro, Portuguese pronunciation, Kitnu Nadu, born February 5, 1985, is a Portuguese professional footballer who plays as a forward for Saudi professional league club Al Nassr and captains the Portugal national team.
Who is Shah Rukh Khan?
Shah Rukh Khan, born November 2nd, 1965, also known by the initialism SRK, is an Indian actor, film producer, and television personality who works in Hindi films.
Who is Virat Kohli?
Virat Kohli, Hindi pronunciation, Kohli, born November 5th, 1988, is an Indian international cricketer and former captain of the Indian national team.
What is the time now?
Now the time is 8:59 p.m.
Play comfortably numb. If you want to learn and make your own personal assistant, comment below.